Okay, time for an update. It is 11:45 and this is a sanding crew. As you can see, they have a truck that's got a little bit of sand on the back, and then you have the guys with the shovels, as you see, put him away. And that's how they sand the streets. Yeah, that's our sanding crew. Nice and efficient. Oh, there they're digging a little sand underneath the tires so they can get actually moving. See, that's how they spread the sand around. I guess we just have to be thankful that they actually bring some sand to our streets. As you can see, the snow has died down quite a bit. The sun was shining a bit ago, but now it is flurrying again. Okay, there they go. Well, I guess that's about all the sand we're going to get in our street today. Alrighty. Well, that's me, signing off.